I'm going to show you a few things on this before I actually turn it on so everybody can see. This is my vacuum chamber. As you can see, I've set my resin down in there, and I've made sure that all the way around here, around the parts here, I have got it where it's kind of equal all the way around, because this is a glass lid. I don't want my glass lid to bust, and so I'm going to put this on to turn it on. It will get loud, but I'll leave it on for you to watch. This is as the thing gets more up closer to 30 pounds of pressure. That's whenever it starts releasing most of the gases. So when it gets right at 30 pounds of pressure, it'll be when I turn it off and just let it sit and get it all out. The vacuum chamber gets pulls out all the gases and all the bubbles and stuff that I stirred into it, and I did stir quite a bit because I did mix it really fast this time. I didn't take my time with it. So now I just let it sit here and get most of the bubbles out. It will have a few still left on top, but as I let the pressure off, the bubbles you will see start going away. There may still be a couple left on the top when I get it out, but those little few is not going to matter. If I let it off and it doesn't get rid of all the ones that I think it should have, I can close the valve back and put more air in it. But it looks like it's going to be good because it's popping most. It's not really bringing up any. It's mostly just popping what's on the top now. Maybe a few small ones coming up. Okay, I'm going to try letting the air out. I start off slow. See how they start going away. Then I'll increase. And that's how it is in the vacuum chamber.